Hi, good day everyone. This is Kyla Valerio, a Marketing Sales Officer from Asialink Malolos Branch. Ngayon po ay i-explain ko sa inyo ang patungkol sa Partners Incentives Program or kung paano ka magkakaroon ng komisyon kay Asialink Finance Corporation. For reminders, ito pong incentives program ay effective starting January 2024 until December 2024 only for all loan consultants. As you can see, we have classification of partners, new loan consultant. Ito yung mga bago lamang na registered from January 2024 to December 2024 with no existing registration or wala pang napaparelease na account bago sa nasabing date. Existing loan consultant, ito yung mga registered before January 2024. Monthly incentives for loan consultant, target incentives, number of accounts incentives, top performing loan consultant of the area, override incentives, one-time big-time monthly raffle. So, i-explain ko ang mga first, the target incentives. Ito yung mga loan consultant na na-achieve yung target release sa kada buwan. Ito yung mga pinagsama-sama ng mga bagong account na hindi kasama yung financing ay makaka-receive ng cash incentives as follows. Take note, ito po ay para lamang sa sangla ORCR or refinancing. Dito may 4 po kayong columns na makikita. Merong description, level, target per month, and then the cash incentives. So, description applies to new loan consultants only para sa mga bago lamang. And then, may level 1 and 2 tayo dito. Sa level 1, kapag na-target mo yung 3 million to 4.99 million sa isang buwan, may makukuha kang cash incentives na 10,000. At kapag naman ikaw ay nakatarget ng 5 million to 7.4 million, which is ikaw ay nasa level 2, may makukuha kang cash incentives na 12,500. At para naman sa level 3 to 7, para sa lahat ng loan consultants, new and existing, kapag ikaw ay nakatarget ng 7.5 million to 9.99 million, ikaw ay nasa level 3 at makakapag-uwi ka ng 15,000. Para naman sa 10 million to 14.99 million para sa level 4 ay makakapag-uwi ka ng 20,000 pesos. Para naman sa 15 million hanggang 19.99 million para sa level 5 ay makakapag-uwi ka ng 25,000. At para naman sa 20 million to 24.99 million para sa level 6 ay makakauwi ka ng cash incentives na 30,000. At ang pang last ay the level 7, 25 million and above, meron kang 50,000 cash. Take note ulit, all monthly incentives are subject to withholding tax. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng cash incentives ay may monthly tax. And for the number of accounts incentives, ito po ay para sa lahat ng loan consultant na kapag na-reach mo yung minimum number of new account, yung para sa refinancing, ay makaka-receive ka ng cash incentives as follow. Meron po tayong column na 3 dito, level, and then sa pangalawang column, number of accounts, and then last, the cash incentives. Para sa level 1, kapag ikaw ay may 5 to 9 na naparelease na account, or lahat ng na-refer mo kay marketing ay na-release at nagsangla ng ORCR at umabot ito ng 5 to 9 accounts or clients, ikaw ay may cash incentives na 2,000. At for the level 2, kapag ikaw ay may 10 to 14 accounts or tinatawag na clients na naparelease at nagsangla ng ORCR, may cash incentives ka na 5,000 pesos. Same with the level 3, 4, and 5. Next is the top performing loan consultant of the area. Ito yung top 5 loan consultant registered in the area. For example, sa North Luzon area, ito na yung mga combination ng mga bago at existing loan consultant. Ito yung may mga release ng minimum of 5 million na naparelease sa loob ng isang buwan. To qualify for the cash incentives. Uulitin ko to make it clear. Meron tayong nakikita ditong tatlong column. Rank, cash incentives, remarks. So sa rank, meron ulit 1 hanggang 5. So, nakadepende sa rank nyo yung makukuha nyong cash incentives. Take note, ang qualify lang dito ay yung may minimum of 5 million loan release or yung mga loan consultant na may naiparelease na 5 million sa loob ng isang buwan para ma-qualify ka dito sa top performing loan consultant of the area. Override incentives. Ito ay para sa lahat ng consultant. For example, ikaw, registered loan consultant ka na. Tapos, may nag-inquire sa'yo, uy, paano ba mag-loan consultant? Paano ba kumita dyan? Kaya ikaw naman, sasabihin mo, madali lang, ganto, ganyan. Ipupush mo siya na maging downline mo. Tapos, kapag pumayag siya, i-register namin siya as downline mo. And kapag may account siya na naipa-release, ikaw ay makaka-receive din ng incentives na 0.50% sa kada release. To qualify for the override incentives, ikaw na nag-refer sa kanya, ay kailangan may at least 3 new accounts ka or may 3 kang client na naipa-release per month. One time, big time, monthly raffle. All loan consultant na may isang transaction na 300,000 ay equivalent into 1 raffle coupon. Ito ay para sa lahat ng loan consultant. Halimbawa, meron kang isang client na na-release at na-approve siya ng 300,000 para sa Sangla ORCR Car and Truck. Ito ay para sa mga new account at hindi sa renewal shall qualify. Bali, ang mangyayari dito ay sa kada isang 300,000 na account na mapaparelease mo ay may equivalent itong 1 raffle coupon. Meron tayong total of 6 raffle draws na kung saan yung isang winner ay selected per area. Kapag nabunot ka sa raffle, meron kang automatic na 3,000. Ito ay per month. So clear naman po sa atin. Ang next na po natin ay quarterly incentives. Ito yung kada 3 months na matatanggap mo pa bukod sa monthly mo. Ito ay para sa lahat ng loan consultant na maka-reach ng total quarterly target ay makaka-receive ng travel incentives. May column ulit dito sa taas na 3, type of loan consultant, quarterly target, and then the remarks. First is para sa mga new loan consultant. Uulitin ko, new loan consultants ay registered lamang noong January 2024 hanggang ngayon. At sa mga susunod pa. Kung na-target mo ang 10 milyon na release sa kada 3 buwan, ikaw ay makakatanggap ng travel incentives. Ganon din sa existing loan consultants or sa mga dati na, kapag na-target mo ang 30 million sa loob ng 3 months, ikaw ay makakatanggap ng travel incentives din. Kaya sa kada quarter, ito yung mga pupuntahan nyo: Bohol, El Nido, Palawan, Cebu, Batanes. Wow! O diba ang galing, kumita ka na libre ka pa. Thank you, Asialink. Bukod sa quarterly incentives, kay Asialink ay may matatanggap ka pang mid-year incentives or kalahati ng taon. May mga bullets dito, i-explain ko sa inyo isa-isa. Mid-year top performing partners. Ito ay para sa top 10 na new loan consultant nationwide na makakapag-release ng minimum of 15 million new account loan releases. To qualify for the cash incentives, ay makaka-receive ng plaque of recognition and below cash incentives. Sa rank, may 1 to 10 at sa incentives, meron tayong 20,000 hanggang 50,000. At para sa remarks, kailangan may minimum of 15 million new account kang naipa-release or nagsangla ng ORCR para ma-qualify ka sa cash incentive. Note, loan consultant, nakasama sa top 10 pero hindi na-reach ang minimum release na 15,000 ay makaka-receive ng 7.5 cash incentives. Mid-year top performing partner for existing. Top 10 existing loan consultant registered nationwide na may 40 million new accounts na na-release para sa Sangla ORCR Car and Truck po ay makaka-receive ng plaque of recognition and below cash incentives. Meron tayo ditong tatlong column, rank, incentives, and then the remarks. So, may rank 1 to 10 and the incentives is 40,000 hanggang 100,000. And then the remarks, yun nga, minimum of 40 million new account release para qualify ka sa cash incentives. Note, loan consultant who belong to the top 10 but did not reach the minimum release shall receive 10,000 cash incentives only. Mid-year top loan consultant of the area para sa mga bagong loan consultant na registered in the area na may minimum of 15 million new account na naparelease. Para sa Sangla ORCR ay makaka-receive ng plaque of recognition and below cash incentives. Total area 6, incentives per awardee 15,000, total incentives 90,000 again. And para sa mga remarks, may minimum of 15 million new accounts kang naiparelease to qualify for the cash incentives. Take note, loan consultant who belong to the top 10 but did not reach the minimum releases shall receive 5,000 cash incentives only. Mid-year top loan consultant of the area para sa mga existing loan consultant na may minimum of 40 million new accounts na naparelease shall receive a plaque of recognition and below cash incentives. So, meron ditong total area na 6, incentives per awardee is 30,000, total incentives is 180,000. Ang remarks dito ay minimum of 40 million new accounts na na-release without financing. So, take note, loan consultant who belong to the top 10 but did not reach the minimum of releases shall receive 10,000 cash only. Mid-year client champion. Top 5 loan consultant nationwide na may minimum of 150 new accounts na naparelease para sa Sangla ORCR shall receive a plaque of recognition and below cash incentives. So, meron ditong rank 1 to 5 and then yung incentives ay 25,000 to 50,000 and para sa remarks, minimum of 150 new accounts para sa Sangla ORCR to qualify for the cash incentives. Note, loan consultant who belong to the top 5 mid-year client champion but did not reach the minimum releases shall receive 10k cash incentives only. Mid-year product champion, top 1 loan consultant nationwide na may minimum of 80 million new accounts per product para sa car refinancing or the Sangla ORCR ng sasakyan lamang shall receive a plaque of recognition and below cash incentives. And minimum of 50 million new account per product para sa mga truck refinancing lamang or Sangla ORCR ng truck lang. And may incentives ka na 50,000 and same with the car refinancing, may incentives ka na 75,000. Note, para sa lahat ng consultant who is a mid-year product champion but did not reach the minimum release shall receive 10,000 cash only. Annual incentives. Ito naman na ipara sa isang buong taon. May mga bullets ulit dito at ituturo ko sa inyo to isa-isa. One time big time pamasko raffle. Same lang siya nung one time big time monthly raffle natin. Ito ay para sa lahat ng loan consultant who release at least 300,000 for car and truck refinancing. New account shall qualify. And pipili ng one winner per area sa month ng December. Sa car refinancing, pipili ng isa kada area and makakakuha ng 20,000 per winner. And total raffle prize is 100,000. Same with truck refinancing. Product Champion of the Year na may minimum of 150 million car refinancing new accounts release to qualify for the cash incentives. Ito ay kada taon. For car refinancing, may incentives ka na 200,000. For the truck refinancing, ang incentives ay 100,000, minimum of 100 million truck refinancing new account na naparelease. Note, loan consultant who is product champion of the year but did not reach the minimum number of account shall receive 10,000 pesos. Client champion of the year, top 5 loan consultant nationwide na may 300 all accounts na naparelease to qualify for the cash incentives. Meron ditong rank 1 to 5 and the incentives is nagre-range siya ng 50,000 hanggang 100,000 pesos. O diba, sulit. And for the remarks, kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, kailangan ay may minimum of 300 all new accounts ka. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ay may 300 kang katao na naparelease at nagsangla ng ORCR para ma-qualify ka dito sa kada taon. Ayan, with note din siya sa ibaba. And for the product champion of the year, top 1 loan consultant nationwide na may mataas na release per product sa loob ng isang taon. Para sa car refinancing or dasangla ORCR ng kotse, may incentives ka na 200,000 kapag na-reach mo yung minimum of 150 million for car refinancing. And para sa truck refinancing or dasangla ORCR ng truck lang, ay may incentives ka na 100,000 kapag na-reach mo yung minimum of 100 million truck refinancing to qualify for the cash incentives. And with note din dito, top loan consultant per area para sa mga bagong loan consultant na kung saan kailangan mong ma-target ang minimum of 20 million loan release sa loob ng isang taon. Meron ditong rank 1 to 5 and the incentives is 10,000 hanggang 20,000. And with note din, top loan consultant per area para sa mga existing top 5 existing loan consultant registered in area with the highest or kailangan may minimum of 40 million loan account na naparelease and may rank din dito na 1 to 5 and the incentives is 15,000 hanggang 30,000 and with note din dito. Top 10 new loan consultant nationwide with the highest release or may pinakamataas na release ay makaka-receive ng plaque of recognition and cash incentives. So, may mga level din dito. Level 1 to 5 and depende sa total release nyo yung makukuha nyong incentives per year. So, sa range ng incentives dito ay 150,000 to 300,000. With note din, kindly read na lang. Top performing existing loan consultant nationwide, top 13 new loan consultant nationwide with the highest release per year shall receive a plaque of recognition and cash incentives. So, meron din ditong level 1 to 12 and their total releases ay magbabase sa kanilang yearly incentives. And then, with note din dito, pakibasa na. Happy marketing, guys! Hoping na kapag natapos nyo to, sana maging isa kami sa inyo na makatulong sa pagginhawa ng inyong buhay. Baka hindi ka sa kung anong job mo ngayon. Baka malay natin, ito pala talaga yung plano ni Lord para dito. Hindi naman kailangan kung nakapagtapos ka o hindi basta masipag ka, may creativity ka, may tiyaga ka, yayaman ka at balang araw magiging milyonaryo ka. Know your purpose today. Thank you, guys.